Welcome to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. On this video I'm going to show you how to make this tag I made, and they are origami dresses paper clips. In a prior video I showed you how to make the origami dresses, and then you just take a look at that and we're going to make these beautiful tags with nice little beautiful paper clips. Let's get started. Well, we're going to do the paper clip first. We're going to have this other little dress. Now you can do different sizes of all these dresses. You can see the origami dresses are adjusted to all kinds of sizes. But this size is, I think it's a 3 by 3. I started writing them on here. But here's some paper clips, and I have other dresses. No, that could be 4 by 4. Let's see, because I wrote little tag numbers on here. So these are 4 by 4s, and I have done other ones here too. You can see. Look like that. Oh, the hanger came out, but there's a video on how to do the hangers too. It's all connected here, because in the future I will be doing a journal with all this, all the videos that I've connect all these little dresses and purses and hats. All right, so if you're interested, just check out all the other videos. So what happens is you're going to take a piece of cardstock and you're going to have a paper clip, and you're going to clip it on, and then we will trim it from that point. Let's see. The whole point is you don't want to show the cardstock, so I'm going to trim this down. All right. Let's see. And on this one I have a little longer, but I think I'm going to cut this down just a little shorter than that one. So we'll put this up, and as long as it's hidden, that's the point. It won't show up, so we're going to take some glue. And if you notice, the smaller side of the paper clip's on the inside where I'm about to glue. My choice of glue is tacky glue, and of course you can use anything you want, but I find that works. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. You'll see this stuff I actually use on a regular basis by watching all the videos I do. And those videos are released on Mondays for crafting videos and Wednesdays for cooking. Anyways, we're going to make sure this stays. It's going to take a couple minutes to dry. So we're going to, if you want to put something on here, some weights on here to let it dry, that's perfect. And this one didn't have a hanger, but I can add a hanger to it. So I thought these were really cute, these origami dresses. So we're going to let that dry. But this one, these measure 4.5 by 4. Sorry, 4.5 by 3 inches is the length of this one. You can do pretty well tags any size you want, but this is the size I have. So I'm going to come across and I'm going to do this angle. Now, of course, you might have punches, but this is for anybody that doesn't have punches. You can do most of this card. So we're just going to come across and try to angle the edges, both sides, as even as you can. That's how I start anyways. Alright, let's see. And I find it off, I'll just come back and trim it better. Alright, see, this one's a little narrow. If you want to go, doesn't really matter, I can go smaller, but this still is a nice size. Then I come back with my punch, and I'm going to make a punch in the center of this. And I have another one punch, but you don't need to. You could come and cut this with scissors into an angle. But I liked it on this one, so I have the same kind of punch. I'm going to come in here to the corner and punch it. I kind of liked the look of this punch. However, you can make it circle, whatever. It only takes a pair of scissors. You don't have to have punches to do lots of these projects I do. It's designed for everybody to be able to do it. If you don't have the right equipment, you can still do a lot of this stuff. So that's what I have at this point, and before I do anything else, I'm going to take my ink, and this one I'm going to do in brown. I thought that would be kind of cool, because I am going to be putting this, it's a little smaller one than that one that I showed, so you can do different size origami dresses. And I'm going to come across and ink all this. Now I got a little, I went messy, but I kind of like that. I did it purposely to go, you can see the green really sticking out. And on the other first tag, this one here, but I like it. I like the look of that. You can go as messy or as neat as you want when you're inking edges. And I like it. I kind of like being sloppy on the edge sometimes. It looks cool, interesting to me anyways. All right. So we have that point, we have it inked. And I'm going to come in and I have a little dress. So the dress is going to sit to an angle like that. So all we got to do is glue the little dress on. Now, like I said, you have different sizes. That size I did right here. They're like from 2.5, 3.5, 3, 4. The biggest one's about, I think it's 6 by 6 is the biggest dress I have. I don't have one out here right now. All right, and we're just taking it so it glues down. All right. Now these will look great in journals. These little tags are going to look great on actually gift tags. I think these are great if you change the colors. I had made some in red, like Christmas colors. These would be great as a gift tag. They look so cute. I mean, you can change it up though. I have some other origami things that you'll see at a later date, but this is kind of more designed for girls or women or everything. But I do have some stuff that I'm making that are guy stuff, and that could be really cute tag for a Christmas tag. So, I mean, I know I'm a little off here. We're kind of early, but I'm very organized when it comes to doing crafting projects that are, you know, I do it way ahead of the time that it's out for Christmas. I'm already starting stuff on Christmas already. I'm going to switch the top of this. And I thought, I like doing, to give dimension, I have these two little leaves that match the other one. And to give dimension on leaves, you just come in with a different color that's kind of darker than the original color, and it will give dimension where the leaves actually look real, just by taking another green that's off a little darker shade, or you could even do a lighter shade, but darker normally works really good for me. And that's what I'm gonna ink the edges of this, and you can see the difference, how good that looks, just by taking and inking with a different darker shade on here. Alright, looks good. Okay, so I'll put this away. Alright, this is a pretty quick project. As long as you have made whatever you have, like if you make the dresses ahead, then this comes together pretty good. That's what I have. If you see, I'll show you in a minute, I have tons of dresses made so that anytime I want to make a tag, I have them in my stash, and I just pull it out and do it for anything I want. And you just store it in, you know, a plastic bag, or so that they seem to like, you can put them away pretty good, and they don't get all wrecked. All right, so I'll put this little, but the choice is endless of how you want to decorate your tag. You know, I think I want to do something different on this one too. I might come in, I did the brown, but I really like the green almost better. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to double edge this. I'm going to come back with my green and brush, yep, I like that too. It adds a little bit more dimension by coming in with the green over the brown. Because I like the green better than the brown in this case. Depends on the colors you're using, but yeah. No one said, there's no rules in inking. You can do 3 colors. You can ink over top, let the first ink dry, and then come back and ink again. Multicolored inking might actually add really good dimension on this. That's what I'd say. Put a little more up here. That one, this one, and let's bring in the paperclip dresses right here, the one and the one I made right here, 2, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if so, please give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and take care.